Stand up the back wall and get someone to hold it in position. Bring the left end wall and to meet it at the left corner, overlapping. Drill and fix at approximately 100mm down from the top and up from the bottom, drilling and fixing from the outside. Bring the right end wall into the right back corner and do the same again, checking to make sure the walls are sitting flat at the bottom. Bring the front wall into place and join the front corners to the end walls the same as the back. Finish joining corners by fixing at approximately 200 to 300mm apart. You will find it easier to drill these corners if they are supported on the inside. With a person at each end of the roof, lift it over the top of your upright walls and lower down onto the top with an overhang that looks best to you. If it is difficult to get the same overhang at each end, this will be caused by an unlevel site or by walls not being square. Adjust accordingly. At the end, fix through the L flashing into the top channel of the left end wall. Measure the overhang at the back and fix the right end L to the right end wall with the same overhang as the left end. Fix L's at 300mm intervals. Using your stepladder and tape measure, fix down through the top of the roof, through the pan and into the top channel of the front and back walls. This will be 10mm more than the overhang. Fix beside every second rib. You will not need to worry about these fixings leaking, as any water leaking through these fixings will end up on the outside of the walls. Most importantly, fix your shed down to its foundations. Please refer to the floor instructions. If your foundation is unlevel or bowed, you will have problems with your pad bolt and door levels. This can be fixed by slipping a spade under either door jamb and lifting. You will soon get a feel for which side needs propping up. Congratulations, you have now assembled your shed. Check that all swarf or filings are removed.